Imagine waking up to a world where non-electric vehicles lead the way in eco-friendly transportation. What if a single technological breakthrough transformed the electric vehicle industry, paving the way for an even cleaner, more efficient option? Thanks to Toyota's groundbreaking advancements in hydrogen engine technology, this concept is now closer to reality. Toyota's CEO claims this new engine will end electric cars, hinting at a bold new direction for sustainable transportation. Could this innovation shift the clean mobility landscape away from electric vehicles? Join us as we dive into Toyota's latest developments and discover how they might redefine the future of transportation. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on the race towards sustainable transportation and the game-changing technologies shaping our world. The sustainable transportation race. China and the United States, two powerhouses, are competing to control the future of the global auto industry. This competition isn't just about mastering internal combustion engines, but about dominating the markets for electric vehicles and new clean energy alternatives like hydrogen-powered cars. Although both countries have made great strides in technology, innovation, and production, each faces unique challenges and opportunities in achieving sustainable transportation. Over the past decade, China has risen to become the world's largest producer and consumer of electric vehicles, surpassing traditional automotive leaders like Japan, Germany, and the US. This rapid ascent isn't accidental. Recognizing the economic and environmental benefits of reducing fossil fuel dependency, the Chinese government has implemented aggressive policies to bolster a thriving EV industry. Local companies like BYD, NIO, XPeng, and Li Auto have fueled this momentum with stylish designs, innovative technologies, and competitive prices, capturing both domestic and global markets. Due to the rapidly increasing demand for clean energy vehicles in Southeast Asia and Europe, Chinese manufacturers are concentrating more on these markets. Europe has proven to be a profitable market for Chinese EVs because of its stringent emissions regulations and vigorous green energy initiatives. For instance, NIO and XPeng have both launched models in Norway, one of the most EV-friendly countries in the world. China has also used its superiority in battery manufacturing to establish a solid foothold in the global EV supply chain. With firms like the largest battery producer in the world, Contemporary Amperex Technology Limited, CATL, China has a major competitive edge in this crucial EV manufacturing sector. Chinese EV manufacturers still face barriers when they go global, despite these achievements. The competition from well-established automakers, quality control, and brand perception continue to be major obstacles. But with a stable local market, robust government support, and a defined transportation goal, China is well positioned to continue leading the world EV industry. Car titans like Ford, General Motors, and the innovative Tesla in the US have adopted a distinct strategy in the market for electric vehicles. In contrast to China, which has prioritized mass production and government assistance, the United States has focused on innovation, market disruption, and customer demand. Particularly, Tesla has significantly influenced the worldwide EV market by establishing benchmarks for electric vehicle performance, range, and design. Both China and the United States are deeply committed to the future of electric vehicles, but their strategies and focus areas differ significantly. China's strategy is based on industrial strategy and government policy, whereas the US approach is driven more by consumer demand and innovation assistance from the government. The expansion of the EV market in China has been greatly aided by the government. Subsidies, tax incentives, and strict emissions regulations have encouraged both automakers and consumers to embrace electric vehicles. China's Made in China 2025 initiative explicitly targets the development of EVs and other clean technologies, with the goal of becoming a global leader in these sectors. The United States government, on the other hand, has adopted a more detached stance, though this is starting to shift, with plans to make significant investments in EV infrastructure, such as charging stations, and provide incentives to customers who purchase electric cars. President Joe Biden's administration has made sustainable energy and electric vehicles a top priority. But the United States continues to trail behind China in terms of government support for electric vehicles. As the world accelerates its search for greener solutions, could hydrogen-powered cars emerge as the breakthrough that surpasses both gasoline and electric vehicles? Let's dive in and find out. Vehicles powered by water. The fact that hydrogen-powered vehicles emit no pollutants when in use is one of its most prominent benefits. Hydrogen fuel cell vehicles only produce heat and water vapor as byproducts, as opposed to petrol engines that discharge dangerous pollutants such as carbon dioxide, CO2, nitrogen oxides, NOx, and particulate matter. As a result, compared to traditional internal combustion engine, ICE, vehicles, which are a significant contributor to air pollution and global warming, hydrogen-powered vehicles offer a more environmentally friendly choice,